In this video, find out how you can use the Isle of Man government's mapping system to complete your ADS claim form. It'll show you how to find your way around the mapping system and how you can get the correct and most accurate information for your fields to use in your claim. So first, to get started, head to www.gov.im/maps. This will bring you to the government mapping system. Click on Island Environment to take you through. Once you're there, you'll be presented with this screen. Simply close this box by clicking OK, and we need to go into the layer list, which is this screen which you've seen when the system first loaded up. From there, navigate to the three lines with the tick and click that, and then move your mouse down to turn all layers off. This clears the map and allows you a blank slate to get started locating your fields. From there, come up to the search, click on that and type in Field Gazetteer. Check the box next to Field Gazetteer, and that then brings up all the information relating to the fields on the Isle of Man. From this point you can close the layer list. Now, in terms of finding your farm and your holding, you can do that in two ways. You can simply come up to the top left in this search box here and enter your postcode to bring you to the location where your farm is. Alternatively, if you know the field numbers, you can simply type in a field number to locate a specific field. We can also turn on the aerial photography. This can be more helpful when it comes to deciding which elements are eligible and which are not. So once you've found the field, you can click on the field and you'll see the field number, the total acres and the category. Now, to use the measuring tool to find the areas that you need for completing your ADS form, come up to the top left hand side of the screen and find your measuring tool. Now, for completing your ADS form and finding out the ineligible areas, simply click on this button here to measure area, and then on this drop down select acres. Reminder that the ineligible land use codes are trees and woodland, buildings, roads and tracks, gorse, scrub and bracken, lakes, reservoirs, ponds and dubs, and non-agricultural uses. And in this case, if we have some gorse within our field, we can simply choose the measurement tool, acres are selected, and then we can trace click by click around the elements that are ineligible under the scheme. Once you've completed the measurement, the area you've measured will be displayed in the measurement box. This is the figure you can use to subtract from your total field area to calculate the eligible acres in that field. So for example, in this field of 7.22 acres, and we're removing 1.72, that will leave us with an eligible acreage of 5.5 acres. If you're finding it difficult to see the details of the field, you can come up to the top here and choose your layer list again, find your Field Gazetteer and deselect it, making it clearer to see the area that you're trying to measure. You can do this for each field on your holding to obtain the accurate acreages for your fields. For further information regarding the Agricultural Development Scheme, completing your form, or help with the mapping system, please contact the agriculture team at Thaiswalian, Foxdale Road, St John's, or call 695 742.